Early December and temperatures still running well above normal. 56 degrees today at BWI Marshall, and the low so far at 47 is 15 degrees above average for this time of year. First day of the year as well when the record low is in the single digits, 9 degrees on this day back in 1967. Another day with some rain in the area. Some spots a little heavier than others. At downtown Baltimore at the Inner Harbor, just about 1/10 of an inch of total precipitation for the day, but we're almost up to an inch for the month already in just the first couple days. So the wet weather pattern continues, and that is helping to produce the low clouds, drizzle, fog, reducing visibilities down to a half a mile around Middle River at Martin State Airport. Visibility 1.5 miles down at BWI Marshall, but the visibilities are starting to come up and the low clouds and fog beginning to shrink a little bit. Out to the west of us, cooler air, also drier air now moving into western Maryland. So that's the front coming in from the mountains that'll push all this mild, murky weather off the mid-Atlantic coast overnight. We do expect to see clearing skies and already breaks in the cloud cover approaching the Hagerstown area. Looks like some breaks along with some spotty showers around Pittsburgh. And then it gets cold. The rain changes over to snow in parts of Michigan, Indiana, western Ohio. I don't think we'll get into that snow here. The main storm center is well to our north and actually weakening as it drifts to the north. But the front will be able to come through and some westerly winds will develop. Low pressure over the lakes, high pressure over the southern plains. Between that, we'll get some stiff northwest winds tomorrow, but that will help to clear things out. And finally, we'll see some sunshine, even if it's going to be a little on the windy and chilly side tomorrow. But at least sunshine here. Unless you get up into the mountains, that's where the snow showers will be falling throughout the day tomorrow, tapering off tomorrow evening. On the eastern shore, sunny skies, and once the sun gets in here and high pressure begins to build, we expect an extended stretch of really nice conditions as far as sunny days and clear nights go. Western Maryland mountains, an inch or two of snow late tonight, tomorrow as the front makes its way through. East of the mountains, the drizzle and fog move out, skies begin to clear. I think by morning it'll start to turn a little on the breezy side, and then the winds really kick in tomorrow with gusts up to 30 miles an hour during the afternoon. The normal high is at 49, so we'll be within a couple degrees of that. The difference tomorrow, lots of sunshine, and that sunny sky will last into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as well. Small craft advisory on the bay for Thursday with waves up to 2 feet and gusts to 30 knots. Mountain forecast, snow showers tomorrow, finally going to look and feel like December, then 43 degrees in the mountains on Friday. Over on the eastern shore tomorrow, temperatures will be back to normal with highs around 50 and sunny skies. And same thing down around Ocean City, kind of a gusty wind tomorrow, but at least some sunshine to enjoy. 7-day forecast for Baltimore, about 49 or 50 tomorrow with windy conditions making it feel chillier than that. 51 Friday, mid-50s as we go through the weekend. Clouds increasing on Monday and then a chance for showers on Tuesday and Wednesday.